Attention future energy leaders. Noble Minds invites you to the IRENA Youth Forum at the 15th IRENA Assembly in Abu Dhabi from the 9th to the 13th of January, 2025. A unique chance to connect with global leaders, government representatives, and top energy experts, focusing on accelerating renewable energy and climate action. Youth from developing countries are encouraged to apply, with full sponsorship covering travel and accommodation for 35 participants. Apply now if you're between 16 and 35 and ready to shape the future of renewable energy. Be part of the next generation of decision makers.